Hello everyone, today we're going to visit the Kapellbrück of Lucerne. And before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, do so now. And so Lucerne is situated in the central Switzerland. And if you go there and if you go by train, the train station is this. And as I was looking for the WC or the toilet, it's in the floor below. So let's go down. And looking for that, so where it is. And prepare your coins, guys, because there it is. Using the toilet, it will cost you 2 francs. Getting out of the train station is a big arc, and on the right side of that is a boat station, and that's the view in front. Oh, there's a boat. And if you walk further, few meters from there is the main bridge. And walking up to there, where the pedestrians are passing, we look around. And from there, you can see already that man knows I am taking a video. From there, from the middle of the bridge, you can see already the Kapellbrück and the Wasserturm, or the water tower. And as we look around, go around and around. That's the train station where we were before. And now we're going to go back to the Kapellbrück. Well, the Kapellbrück is a wooden footbridge crossing the river Rus diagonally. The bridge is the oldest surviving wooden bridge in Europe and even maybe in the world, and it serves as Lucerne's symbol and one of Switzerland's tourist attractions. It is Lucerne's landmark. The bridge length now is 204.7 meters, shorter than when it was originally built way back 1365. In the ceiling center of the bridge are paintings from old times, 17th century approximately, but many of them were destroyed when part of the bridge got caught in a fire way back 1993. Some were also restored and put back in place. The tower, or the Wasserturm, or the water tower, it was used before as prison torture chamber, and later a municipal archive as well as a local treasury. Today the tower is closed to the public, although it houses a souvenir shop before. Now it is like a pop-up store selling liquors.
Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. The shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Come on over here, lower them stairs. I've got all the tools after years with the blues. feet.